Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, I'll show you how you can create real Metatrader 4 account. So let's get started by opening the application in your mobile device. If you don't have the app, go ahead and simply visit the App Store and then install it. Once installed, open it up. Once you open it up, you'll see an option that says open a demo account. Go ahead and tap onto it. But if in case you don't have that option, you want to go ahead and simply tap on the settings like icon and then tap on create accounts. Inside here, tap on this plus icon, then tap on open demo account. So you'll then be able to find this demo right over here, tap onto it. Inside here, you want to go ahead and simply fill up your information, which include your personal information and your account information. Type in your name, your phone number, email address, account type, leverages, and deposit. Once you've done that, simply tap on register, and then on the next page, simply tap on done. And that is simply how you can create real Metatrader 4 account. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.